Om Namah Shivaya. Here we are seeing miracle collection from Indian Ocean. Lord Brahma Akshaya Patra conch. You see this conch look like a vessel Akshaya Patra, and you can see 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines is for Lord Brahma. So Lord Brahma Akshaya Patra conch. By having this conch with you, all your dreams will be get fulfilled. All your dreams will come true. This is for Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma is our creator. By having this conch with you, you will get very luxury life. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. By having this conch with you, all negative energy in your astrology chart will be removed due to the negative position of planetary, and you will get huge success. So Lord Brahma Akshaya Patra conch 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. This is for Lord Brahma. He is a creator of us. Having this conch with you, definitely all negative energy in your astrology chart will be removed, and you will get huge success and happiness in your life. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And this conch also remove all dosas in your astrology chart. It's a very, very unique collection of Akshaya Patra conch. Perfectly looks like Akshaya Patra. Shape perfectly look like Akshaya Patra. Very, very unique collection in Akshaya Patra conch. And you can also do pujas and abhishek with this conch. You can also do pujas and abhishek with this conch. It's collected from Indian Ocean. 4 lines Lord Brahma Akshaya Patra conch. Extremely rarest collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.